the province of Pangasinan. I'm 25 years old.
What's your talent?
My talent is painting, drawing and painting.
Can you paint me wearing all this? Okay. So next time, I'll showcase the painting mo once you get here. Okay, so any questions from our set of judges?
Mukhang maganda ang face card mo sa pelikula. If ever given the opportunity after Miss Grand, gusto mo ba Mr. Grand, sorry. Gusto mo ba mag-artista?
Of course.
I-echo ko lang yung tanong kanina ni Miss Bambi. How will you handle your online basher kapag artista ka? Are you mainitin ba ulo mo? Or how do you manage yung ganong situation? Kasi siyempre mababas ka, maraming masasabi.
Sir, honestly po, mainitin ang ulo ko eh. Pero syempre, if ever ganun, I have to act professional. And siguro, tatanggapin ko yung mga criticism as constructive criticism.
Number 47, sorry. Anong height mo?
I'm 6 foot.
Tangkad. So if ever mag-artista ka, given that chance na bawa, sinigal to the Viva, are you willing to go bold, sexy?
For now, siguro po yun yung ko ma-answer. Pero kung nandun na ako sa point na yun,
Halimbawa, ikaw lead role ka, but you lead role ka, ikaw yung bida. But you have to go naked. Are you willing? Kasi may taga-Viva Max June.
hindi kita sinfully naked po.
Tingnan. Meron ka bang mga conditions hanggang saan ka lang pwede? Or are you willing to go all the way?
Bayaran yun. Kahit ako naman.
Sige, wag na. Huwag ka na mag-artista.
Ayan.
Sige, wag ka na mag-artista. Singer ka na lang. Do you sing? Hindi rin sa dance.
Hindi rin po. Sa into arts, ano po,
Okay. Kasi yung maganda kasi yung kulay mo, maganda yung sa cinema eh.
Siguro po, if ever may chance na gano'n, and i-condition ko po yung sarili ko.
Yung mind mo, at saka yung katawan mo.
Yes po.
Sige. Okay, good luck, candidate number 47.
Thank you po.
What do you do at the moment, number 47? What do you do at the moment?
Nag-focus po sa mga arts.
Anong artist?
Portrait drawings over.
So that is your full time?
Yes.
Okay. So do you do it with a company or freelancer? Okay.
Since you came from Pangasinan, how will you represent your province in the best way possible based on your cultural awareness? Kasi di ba, sasali ka galing ng ibang probinsya, siyempre stiff competition, national pageant. Sa palagay mo, anong edge mo over your competition pag sumali ka na dito sa national?
My edge as in
Edge mo bilang candidate.
my edge as a candidate ko is I'm hardworking and dedicated po for when I want something, I work hard for it and dedicate myself to it.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.